In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Monzo to Revolut 2025. Here's the plan. We'll grab the correct bank details from your Revolut app, add those details as a new recipient in Monzo, send the transfer, and then give it a moment to process. I'll share tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. First, get your Revolut account's bank details. Open Revolut and go to your Accounts or Home tab, then select the currency wallet you want to receive into. For most UK transfers, that will be your GBP wallet. Tap on Details. You should see your local bank details, typically a sort code and account number for GBP. If you're sending to a non-UK currency, switch to International or select the EUR wallet to find your IBAN and SWIFT by sea. Copy these exactly as they appear. Make sure the account name in Revolut matches your legal name on Monzo, as mismatches can cause delays or rejections. If you have multiple Revolut accounts or cards, double check you're using the personal account details for the wallet you want to fund. Next, open the Monzo app, confirm you're logged in, the app is up to date, and that you have enough balance for the amount you want to send. Head to the payments or transfer section so you're ready to add a recipient. Now enter your Revolut account as a recipient in Monzo, choose to make a bank transfer, then add a new payee. If you're sending GBP within the UK, select a UK bank transfer and paste the Revolut sort code and account number. Type the account name exactly as shown in Revolut. You can add a reference like Revolut Top Up for your own tracking. If you're sending internationally or in another currency, select the international option and paste the IBAN and SWIFT BIC from Revolut. Then review any exchange rate and fee information before continuing. Before you send, carefully review every digit. A quick tip: if this is your first time, consider sending a small test amount to confirm it arrives as expected. Finally, wait for it to process. With UK faster payments, transfers often arrive in minutes, but they can take up to a couple of hours. International transfers may take longer, depending on currency and intermediary banks. Keep an eye on Monzo for the payment status, and on Revolut for the incoming notification. If it's pending for an extended period, verify the details, check your transfer limits, and use in-app support if needed. That's it. You've moved money from Monzo to Revolut. Double check details, start small if you're unsure, and you'll be set for quick, reliable transfers.